How are you? I hope you are keeping well. Okay, students, look here. What is this? Banginipalli mango. So, how many mangoes are here? Only one. Okay. So, now, how many mangoes are here? Two mangoes. Now, you observe how many mangoes are here? Three mangoes. Okay. Now, in the place of mangoes, let us keep the symbols of numbers. So first place, how many mangoes? 1. Next place, how many mangoes? 2. Third place, how many mangoes are there? 3. In the same way, etc. Okay, right. 4, 5, 6, like that. So now you observe here, what is the number? 1. So when the numbers starting from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. The numbers starting from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. The natural numbers are denoted by capital N. So N equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. These are called natural numbers. Okay. Look here. Anything? Is there anything here? Is there anything? There is nothing. It is 0. So the number starting from 0 to infinite, starting from 0 to infinite, those numbers are called whole numbers, means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So what is the starting number? 0. So when the numbers is starting from 0 to infinite, those numbers are called whole numbers. Okay, first I told about natural numbers. Natural numbers means the numbers starting from 1 to infinite. Those numbers are called natural numbers. But here the numbers starting from 0 to infinite, those numbers are called whole numbers. These whole numbers are denoted by W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc.
అన్నీ అన్నట్టు వచ్చినట్టు సర్లే
Students, he is one boy. He had 4 almonds in his hand. So first he want to eat one almond. So first he ate one almond. So how many almonds are remaining with him? Look at 3. So remaining 3 almonds. Now again he ate second almond. So how many remaining? 2 almonds. Now again he ate third almond. How many remaining almonds? 1. Okay. Now again he want to eat last one also. So he ate last almond also. So how many remaining? 0. Okay. Okay, 0. So now he want to eat again some more. So now he want to eat some more. So but pocket is empty. He knows his brother has plenty of almonds. Okay. So he asked his brother one almond. How he borrowed? See, he borrowed one almond. And he took one almond from him and he promised his brother, give it back. Now, how many almonds he has? how many almonds he has. How many? Now he had one almond, but it is not his own because it will give back. So he has -1. Again he took one more almond. Now how many almonds he has? -2. Again he took one more almond. Now how many almonds he has? -3. Okay. In the same way, he repeated the same thing with his brother for the second almond and third almond, etc. So now he has -1, -1, -2, -3 almonds. Here, what symbol is used before the numbers? Look here carefully. -1 before, -2 before, -3 before, minus. So minus is used. Okay. This type of numbers are called negative numbers. Means the numbers with the minus symbol the numbers with minus symbol are called negative numbers. Okay. Therefore, negative numbers plus positive numbers including 0. Including 0 are called integers. Negative numbers plus positive numbers including 0 are called integers. Means integers like this. 0 positive numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Negative numbers means -1, -2, -3, etc. These are called integers. Look here, 0 right side positive numbers, 0 left side negative numbers. This type of numbers are called integers. Students, practice these symbols. Minus into minus equal to plus. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay. Student, look here. I am giving one problem for you. -2 into -3. How to solve? First you take symbols. Look here. Minus into minus. Now only to minus into minus. Which symbol will come? Plus. So first you write plus. Next you go to numerals. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? Plus. Students, I am giving one more example. 5 into -4. Here, what symbol is before 4? What symbol is before 4? Minus. So what symbol is before 5? The number without symbol must be considered plus. So here plus. Now first you take only symbols. Plus into minus. What symbol will come? Plus into minus. Minus. Next you multiply 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. So what is that answer? -20. Students, I am giving you some exercises here for your practice. Do them by yourselves.